Hey everybody. So as you know, Rory also was a seed sales, so this is one of the tenders. I'll double check the write-up for how many bushel this one is. I know it's smaller than a 220. It's the next size down. It's like 150 or so, but double check my write-up. Hitch pin style, all the lights, everything work. Heavy duty fenders, steel diamond plate all around. That's a brand new tire. That one's a good used tire. This has the 5.5 Honda 160 GX on it. The nice thing about these is you can move the ladder. All this does is swivel and hinge here. You can move the bolts over and move it to the side if you want. So just depends on what access you like. And then again, these two tires here are in really good shape as well. Front mount jack. We'll fire up the engine for you. Just taking a look inside here. You got your slide control right here, and I said hopper's in good shape. And this has that nice kind of a swivel there. You don't have to worry about the heavy thing flipping back. And then of course locks down. These are made over in Storm Lake, Iowa. Nice heavy duty construction, made by Friesen. Next video, we'll go ahead and start the beast up for you.